1 hour has 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. So 1 hour has 4 15 minutes. 4 sets of 15 minutes. Am I right? 1 hour has 4 sets of 15 minutes. So if this is the first candle in a 15-minute time frame, this is a full candle. This is the second candle. This is the third candle. So I am asking, at what time do you think the third candle will close? Right now, the time is, if we are in 15 time frame, at what time do you think this candle is going to close? At what time do you think this candle is going to close? Some answers. At what time do you think this candle will close? This will allow me to know whether people are understanding or not. At what time? Somebody is telling me 45 minutes past 9. Are you sure? Some answers. At what time do you think this candle will close? The rest of you guys, tell me. At what time do you think this candle will close? Somebody is telling me at 50. I'm sure. At what time? More answers. At what time do you think the next candle will close? At 10. Are you serious? Another more answers, guys. At what time? At what time? At 10, 20, 20. At what time? At what time? At what time do you think we are in the 15 time frame? Okay, we are in 15 time frame. This is okay. Let's go slow. 1 hour, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Now, if you divide 60 by 15, what is the answer? Some answers. Some answers. Some answers. 60 divided by 15. What is the answer? The answer is 4. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, I'm coming here. It is now 9. It is 39 minutes past 9. Now there are 39 minutes. How many complete candles are in 30 minutes? How many 15 time frame complete candles are here? How many 15 time frame candles? How many 15 time complete candles are in 29 minutes? Complete. Complete. Good. Very good. Very good. Now you're coming to understand. Yes. It means if there are 39 minutes, it means we've got the first candle closed at 15, another candle closed at 30, another candle will close at 45 minutes, and another candle will close at 10 exactly. Hope you guys are understanding. Right now, we can see that it is 40 minutes. It means at 45, we are expecting this candle to close. But we have two forces. We have the buyers and the sellers. Who remembers it was in green? Now the sellers, they have sold. They are selling so much. Now the sellers are selling too much. They are pushing the market down. The sellers, they are selling. The selling pressure is high. You can see, I'm talking about this candle here, red candle. This candle, this one. The selling pressure is now high. And now the sellers, they are taking it over. We are running with the 4 minutes. Either for the candle to close when it is red or green. We are remaining with the 4 minutes. But a lot of pressure is in this candle. The sellers are selling. The buyers are buying. The sellers are selling. The buyers are buying. Now you see this small. You see this small here. There is like a small tail. There. There is like a small tail. It is just forming. It is just there. There. It's very small. You see? Now the buyers are taking it back. They are trying to take it back. Now the sellers have sold more. Hey, now sellers have sold more. They are selling. Selling pressure is high. For you bought a coin and you seated somewhere just stressed because you're not seeing money. But you don't know what is happening in the market. This is what is happening. People are pulling out money from the market. People are selling. And whatever BTC does, it affects everywhere. So this candle is vital. That forming candle is very vital. Very vital. So now you see, there is some small tail trying to form below. So that the sellers are trying the buyers are trying to buy. But the selling pressure is too high. The selling pressure is too high. I want you to look at what is happening. Check the time. Check the time. And check the candle. Check the time. And check the candle. We are remaining with 2 minutes. And at exactly when these 2 minutes elapse, we shall form another candle. We shall form another 15-minute candle. I'm taking you slowly such that you can understand. There is a big picture I want you to get in your head. Now, selling pressure is too much. Sellers, selling. They are selling. This is a lot of money. BTC, check. Can you see the price going down? Can you see? They sell, they buy. They sell. Now they have bought. Now you see, when this one increases, when this price increases a bit, the tail appears. Now it is going down. The tail has been swallowed. The tail has been swallowed. How many minutes are we waiting? We have been waiting for 45 minutes. And once there are 45 minutes, this thing will close. Can you see? The price has moved a little bit higher. The sellers have brought in more money, and then the cartel is forming. You be serious and look at the time and what is happening in the market. It is going to close at exactly 40. Once it is 45 minutes, it will close. You see? It has closed and we are in another candle. Hope that is done. Well done, and it is said and done. It is understood. So time matters. Everything is on time. I don't know if some people are understanding what we are talking about. If you don't understand this, you'll be in stress. Why? Why? It is not selling. It is not selling. Leader, you told me, Saturday. You were joking. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Now let's go. Let's go, guys. I want us to go and look at what we call. I want to go. This is my main point today. This is my main point. This is my main point. 1 month. 1 month. That's where I'm going to tap. What is the day today? The day today. What is the day today? Day today. What is the day today? Some answers. What is the day today? Day today. What is the day today? The day today is May 2026. What is the date today? Date. I want some answers in the chat. Can you please tell me what it is? 26th. All right. Now let's go. Let's go to the candle. Any candle you see here, it takes 1 day to complete. This candle will complete in the midnight. Though it is small, it is called indecisive. It is indecisive candle. It doesn't decide. It is indecisive. The more the market remains in this type of candle, in this type of market, indecisive, it is not deciding the direction, the more you will stay in the market. Okay? The more the market stays in this kind, Now, each sorry. Each candle here, it is a month. It is a month. Each candle, because we are in 1 month. So this is June, this is May, April, March, this is Feb, this is Jan, this is December. Hey. This is November, October 2025. So you can look at this thing and you pretend as if you're not seeing them. You will see them and you will understand. This is a month. This is the month where we are now. Which color is that month? Which color is that? Which color is that? Who can see that the previous month was green? Green. Who remembers that last month these people made 218% from the market? Can you identify why it happened that way? If you remember that in the previous month, before last month, they got 81%. Then last month, they got 218%. You can see why the border is big. The market was good. In the previous month, the market wasn't so good. Though it was okay, but it wasn't so good. That's why you can see they made 81%. In the month where you can see the size of the candle. The size of the candle is big. It is a little healthy. This candle here, it is healthy. That's why they managed to maneuver with a very big percentage. Now this one here, it has been a tricky month. Okay, if they can ask you now, which type of candle is this now? So it opened here. It opened. The market opened. Market went up. Market came down. I can take it to you. I can just take you to this month and okay. Let me take you to 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 what? Let me take you today, such that you can identify day candles of a day that represent this small candle. In this candle, there are 20. Within this candle, there are 26 days that have a big picture of this, a more detailed picture. Though you can look at it here, it is red. The market has not decided where it is going. And the more we stay in this kind of situation, the more we stay longer in the market without selling. Once you understand that, then you'll have a healthy way of earning. Remember, we had a very wonderful month last month. So somebody could ask you, can easily come to my inbox and say, leader, how much money do you think I can make a month? I have a question. Who can predict? Who can predict the next candle? Will it be green or red? Some answers. Who next month's candle? Because it will come here after this one. It will form just here. Who can predict whether it will be green or red? Who can predict? Please help me. Help me if you're here. Who can predict? Who can predict? Next month is candle. June. Nobody. Nobody. But when you look at this, this is a clear indicator that the market opened, it went up, and then it came down. This is the interpretation of the market. I mean, when I look at this, I just know, okay, now if this is the market opened from somewhere, it went up, okay, then came down. Actually, when it came down, okay, let me try to bring it more clear. The market opened from somewhere, it went up to somewhere, it came down, and then it surpassed this line. It came down and then came back here. It came back here. So it did this. And so far it is still here. It has not gone so far. Let's go to one day and we see if that is what is happening. This is one day. Each candle is of one day. Okay? Each candle is of one day. If this is 26th, 26, 25, zino 24, 23, 22, zino lwabiri luno lwabiri, luno lwa 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, luno lwa 13, 12, 11 nga 10, nga 9, nga 8, nga 8, nga 7, nga 6. This is 6th, on 5th, on 4th, on 3rd, on 2nd, on 1st. Meaning this was the first candle in this month. This one here. So where did the market open from? It opened from here. Okay, let's do let's put the graph here. Let's put the graph. Let me put the graph. The market opened from here. It went up. It came down. It moved up. It came down. Somebody can say the market opened from here, it moved up, it came down, it surpassed this line. Who remembers my first drawing? Then it came, it went, it is still there, it is struggling. So who remembers that before, in the beginning of this month, we made money in 33 circle? Who remembers? In the beginning of this month, it was good time, we made money up to around 14th. Who remembers? Who remembers? Some answers. Who remembers? You, we made. Oh, what does it mean? Yes, Jojo is telling me, yeah. Hmm? Now let's count. Let's count up to 14th, and we see why we made money. And then we see why today we are not making the money. Okay, this is the first day. The market was moving up. Second day, third day, red candle. Fourth day, sixth day, seventh day, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. You see, this was when the market was still okay. Now from there, things have been not moving on well. So some 2 days or one day you saw some trades selling. Up to now, things are not yet back in normal, because here we had the move going upwards. Now we are having something going down. Anytime now we shall see the market going up, then you enjoy. So don't just be confused why I'm not making the money. Look at what is happening. Check what is happening. You cannot make the money in this kind of situation. And let me tell you, when we go to the time frame, to the small time frame, people lost a lot of money. Check. This kind of move, this kind of moves, these ones, these are losses. These are losses. Lucky you've not lost money. Check this. These are losses. Okay, so with understanding something, guys, are you learning? So currently, this is where the market is now. When we go to 1 month time frame, so this is where, this is our June. It has been very poor, very indecisive. Trades have not sold out well, simply because of the market. You can see it's not gambling. This is real. This is reality. Okay. Now, let's wait for this candle to close, and then we shall see more candles, more glories ahead of us. Another candle will come and form here. But one thing I know with these candles, when it ends here, let's say, it will have to first push. So most of you will get out of the trade that you have, and then if it will be coming, if it is to come down, it will have to come down again. But this small move here, this small move you see, this small tail here, it is a lot of money. This small tail here, this one, a lot of money. You can imagine from $75,000 to 79. Okay, it's a lot of money in between the 2 points. So this month has been poor, not even poor, but it has not performed well, especially during the last days, last half. But the first half was very good. So this month was awesome, and the other previous month was also very good. So right now we are waiting for this candle to close, and then we see uh, more blessings that are ahead of us. Guys, are we understanding? Mhm. Do we together? So don't be stressed. Yeah? The market will retrieve, and then we make the sell. We'll come back and we make the cells. Don't be deceived. This is a small picture because let me take you here. Let me take you here. Can you see? This is a rally, a rally. Okay, actually, it's not like that. It's a rally, then a rally. So we are expecting a rally. So just be positive. A lot is to come. Don't miss it. Because look at this. After this, we can have this candle. We can have this candle closing green. This one, we can have it closing green. As you can see this. This one. Let me point at it. This one. We can have it closing green as that one. We can have it close green like that one, but after a lot of struggle. Okay, so let's be waiting to see. But when you look at these two, you see that all these months were okay. That's why we saw Bitcoin going to 100 and $126,000. Meanwhile, it had to come back to collect liquidity. It picked liquidity already here, and we are expecting another move, maybe up to somewhere. So literally, that is what is happening in the market. Don't be stressed because the time matters, and you should know where we are at that particular time. Okay, you should always know where we are at that particular time. I just don't want to exit from here. If you have any question, you can put it forward and we see how to handle it. Otherwise, don't be stressed with the market. Those are the market dynamics. They are waiting such that you can lose the guts, you can be demoralized. So do not be demoralized in any way. Any question, please put it forward. If there is no any question, then we can call it a day. I wish you the best. Tomorrow morning we shall have the TikTok live, and then in the morning, mid-morning, we shall have a class for registered members, and then more programs will be loading. Well said and done. Allow me to say a very good night. Bye-bye.